Alright, it is now time for bedroom fire alarm test 19. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be doing a walk test today. But before we do that, let's look at all the devices on the system. For the pull stations, on the left we have a Simplex 2099-9754 conventional single action pull station. And on the right we have a GE branded Edwards 278 pull station. So let's go look at the notification appliances. The notification appliances today, on the left is an Edwards 405-7A-T Integrity Remote Strobe, and on the right is a Wheelock 6-inch bell. Smoke detectors, the same two addressable silent night detectors, as well as the same Edwards smoke detector, which I believe that's the same as it was last time. We've also added this to the board. This is just a generic emergency light. I'll give it a test real quick. Whoa, quite a glare, but there it is. Alright, so now we're going to put the system into walk test. Turn the key, enter, system tests, do 3, walk test, and I'm going to put in the installer code. So now we're going to hit enter to start test, and the NACS will sound for 6 seconds each time we activate it. So now walk test is in progress. We get the trouble, and we're ready to begin. So we're going to start with the pull stations, starting with the Simplex one. So you just heard the alarms go off, so we know that one works. Next we'll do this one. So now we know the pull stations work. Alright, so now we're going to do the smoke detectors, and I'm just going to do the magnet for this one. Okay, so now we're done with the walk test. So all we have to do to stop it is just press enter. And the system will reset. Alright, so for the final part of the test, I'm going to do a pull station again, and I think that we'll do the Edwards one, and we're going to key activate it. So that'll be the end of the video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.